Welcome again, guys. Let's talk about landing pages. A lot of you have been hitting me and asking me questions about how you can build a landing page that converts. That's why I'm making this video for you. Now, when we talk about landing pages that convert, we are talking about landing pages that pushes people to take action. All right. If your landing page is not making people to take action, then it is not performing the function. That means it's not converting. All right. So we are just looking at this very fast so you can understand the element that should be in your landing page to make it to convert. All right. If this is your first time of coming onto this channel, I welcome you to my channel. This is our gym I'm talking. All right. On this channel, we actually teach you what you can do to make money online, and then what you can do to grow your business. So if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are welcome. Just like and subscribe and make sure to turn on your notification bell. I believe you don't want to miss the important things we are sharing on this channel. So make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. We are not going to be leaving this page, or maybe we will leave the page at some point, but on your screen right now, I just want you to take a look at what you are seeing. This is a typical example of a landing page that converts. If you're running a business online and you don't have a landing page, or maybe you don't have a website and you don't have a landing page, then you are missing out on opportunities. If you run ads directly to payment pages, you will be losing a lot of people and you'll be wasting money. That is why you should have a landing page that converts. That's why we're talking about this video today. All right. In the course of this, in the course of everything I'm going to be discussing, if at some point you have questions, you can drop it in the comment section. And also make sure that you don't skip any part of this video. Make sure that you check the link in the description for everything detail I'm going to be dropping. All right, so let's quickly look at this landing page you are seeing. It's a very unique one, very straight to the point. All right, now what are the elements that will make your landing page to convert? What are the elements? Number one is your heading and your subheading. All right, as you can see on this place. Now when you talk about landing pages, you want to create something that will make people to take action. You don't want to waste people's time, and you don't want to waste your time. All right, so a landing page is actually a page where people land. When they see your advert, they click on it and it brings them to a page like this. Are you getting it now? So let's talk about the elements that should be in your landing page. Number one is your heading. Okay, now your heading comprises of a subheading. Okay, very important. So as you can see from this page now, the first thing we are seeing on the top is the subheading, which says 9-figure ad expert reviews in a live session. That's a subheading. So as you can see, the major headline says how to hit 7 figures monthly running ads for businesses. That is the major headline. That's the first element you will see on a landing page. That is a very important element, because by the time they land on the page, that's what they will see. Then the next element that is following should be an image, either an image or a video that shows them, a graphic representation of what you are talking about. But in the case of this landing page you are seeing now, the person who designed this did not want to bother the visitors about the image, just going straight to the point. But if you're doing something that has to do with, maybe you want to sell a product, a physical product, or you want to do a training, there is a need for you to include a graphic image so people can have a mental picture of what you are talking about. All right, so you can add image there. That's the next element that is very important that you should have on your landing page, an image or a video. If you're going to be doing a training, you should have a video. All right, you should have a video that explains, what what they should be expecting in the training. You understand? Now let me say something before I go to the next benefit. There are two kinds of landing pages, two major kinds of landing pages. Number one is the VSL landing page. That's the video sales letter landing page. That one is very short. Okay, you just see the headline, and then you will see the image or the video, and then you see the benefits and the call to action. Very, very short. So most of what the person will be saying would have been said in the video or in the image. Are you getting it now? Then straight to the button that says join now or buy now or what have you. You get? The second type of landing page is the sales letter. That one, when the visitor lands on the landing page from the advert, it's going to be a long letter, mostly long letters. All right, so the two types is number one, the video sales letter, and then the long form kind of landing page. Are you getting now? I'm sure you must have seen those kind of pages whenever you click on an ad that takes you somewhere. Are you getting now? Now, some e-commerce platforms, some e-commerce landing page is usually in the form of long form landing pages. So I won't go into all of that, right? But that's a major element. Number one is the headline. Number two is the image or the graphic representation. Number three is the benefits. You want to put some benefits so that somebody will know that, okay, if I'm going to click this is what I'm going to benefit. If I'm buying now, this is what I'll benefit. All right. As you can see in the case of this landing page, you are seeing this is for you if you are looking for a high paying online skill, or you have a business and want to scale your profit with ads or blah, 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 like that. Are you seeing this now? So these are the benefits. You have to add these elements to your landing page, and then you can see the next thing there is a form. So this form now, this person is including this form because they want to collect leads. Are you getting now? There are different purposes for landing pages. Some landing page is for you to join a training. Some is for you to collect leads. Some is for you to send the person to pay now. Are you getting now? So you need to understand these differences so that when you are designing yours, you know what you are doing. Then one more element or two more elements. The next element there is the button that you are seeing. This button you are seeing, that's called the call to action button. Very, very important. You cannot tell somebody that this is my product, and then you're not telling the person to buy or take action. It doesn't make sense. So this call to action is very, very important. Here they are trying to collect leads, so they say get access here. You must include that in your landing page. Are you getting now? So one more element that you can add to your landing page, which is not included here, is the urgency, the element of urgency or scarcity. You want to make people, you want to say something that will make people rush and click the button. You want to do something or say something that will make them feel like if they don't click it, they are going to miss out. Are you getting now? So that can be something like join now before class gets filled, or join now, the slots are very limited. I'm sure you must have seen something like that. Are you getting now? So let me add a bonus to all of the elements that we've talked about. One more bonus, one more element you can add is a proof or a testimonial. All right, a proof or a testimonial of somebody that has gone through that process, or somebody that has bought that thing you want to sell. You can add that inside your landing page. I'm sure you must have seen all those things in other landing pages. This one is just to collect leads. So the designer here didn't just want to waste our time. He just wants to go straight to the point. All right, you can add that to your landing page to make it very, very powerful. All right, all of these things, all of these elements I've talked about, if you add them to your landing page will convert very fast. Okay, your landing page will convert very fast with all of these elements. So this is how your landing page should be designed to attract what you are looking for to attract your audience. All right, I believe that you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell, and if you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section. Then one more thing before I leave, if you want to learn how to build a landing page like this skill can give you a lot of money. Whether you want to earn in dollars or you want to earn in your local currency, this particular skill of how to build landing pages can give you a lot of money, especially if you know how to do it very well. There are affiliates that need landing pages. There are business owners that need landing pages. There are e-commerce guys that need landing pages. So if you can do this very well, you can make a lot of money. So I'm inviting you, if you're interested in learning, you can go to the link in the description or go to the pinned post in my comment section. Check for the link I will drop there. I have a program for you if you want to learn how to build landing pages. It's not free, it's for serious persons. So go to the link in the description, check for it, or check the pinned post in my comment section, and then you will see how you can get access to the program. That is all for now. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.